Hi students, welcome to Anthropology 175, HTA. I am your instructor for the course. I'm John Schaefer. I've been teaching at the Middletown campus of Miami University for the past 8 years. In this course, you'll see videos and you'll see lectures by John Cinnamon and Mark Peterson. These are two other old white guys with beards. Dr. Cinnamon teaches at the Hamilton campus typically, and he's the one who set up this course a few years ago. And then Dr. Peterson teaches at the Oxford campus. But I, John Schaefer, am the instructor. So occasionally Dr. Cinnamon will tell you, contact me if you have any questions, or tell me this, or send me an email. And that's wrong. You shouldn't send it to Dr. Cinnamon. You should send it to Dr. Schaefer. Okay? John Schaefer. This is going to be a very hard course with lots of work due. Honestly, online courses, if you've ever taken one, they're just a lot of work. So be prepared. I hope you find it challenging but not daunting. Please read over the entire syllabus closely because making sure you keep up with the readings and quizzes is your responsibility. There's a lot to do, and I can help you with a few resources, but ultimately it's your responsibility. I've attached the assignment sheet from the syllabus. It's also downloadable from Canvas. Canvas is going to be everything in this course. So you'll see this assignment sheet. A good idea might be to print it off and post it, on the wall so that you can make little check marks whenever you get something done. Check it off, and then you've got 5 more things to do before Sunday night. You've got 3 more things to do. You've got 7 more, whatever. I mean, there's a lot. This will encourage you not to put off the work, to remember, oh goodness, it's Friday and I still have 6 things to do, and I don't know how long it's going to take. Overall, this is Anthropology 175, Peoples of the World, a kind of introduction to anthropology that also gets us thinking about human diversity and how to think about people who are different from us. It might be helpful in filling in gaps in your other courses because it focuses on non-Western cultures, non-literate societies, and prehistoric human experiences. The specific section is 100% online. We might never meet face to face. We might never chat in real time. All your work is done when you want to, where you want to do it, as long as you get it done before each Sunday night at midnight, and there's a few Thursday assignments too. It is asynchronous. Asynchronous means that everyone in the course is working at their own pace. You might make a discussion posting on Monday morning at 9 a.m., and your fellow students might comment on it on Wednesday afternoon and on Saturday morning at 2 a.m. Please be patient if you ask a question and it's not answered immediately. Everyone's got their own schedule. It's a 6-week compressed course. Normally it's 15 weeks long in an ordinary college semester. This is 6 weeks long, so imagine it's almost 3 times as fast. If you've ever taken a summer course, you know the intensity. You might spend 2 hours on the course every day. You might be working every day, and so you spend 10 hours over Friday and Saturday getting it all done. That's up to you, but it's going to take it out of you. You're going to have to do it one way or another, hour after hour after hour of going through, watching the video, doing the discussion post, taking the quiz, writing up. There's a lot of written assignments, a lot of paragraphs you have to write. It's just how it is. Let's see. The course begins Tuesday, May 19th. That's tomorrow currently. This is Monday for me. And runs through the last week of Summer 1, Saturday, June 27th. There's an adjustment for Memorial Day. I don't make you turn stuff in on Sunday Memorial Day. But otherwise, Sunday nights are the rule. I expect you to be engaged throughout the week. However, I've been told it's easier to have weekly deadlines on Sunday night so you can clear the previous week's assignments and get started on the next week. There are 11 modules plus Module 0, which gets you oriented to online learning, as well as the course syllabus. We'll go through 2 modules each week, roughly. There are basically 4 quarters on 4 basic topics. Part 1, Peoples of the World, an introduction to the discipline of cultural anthropology. Modules 1 through 4 get you up to a culminating assignment where you go out and observe ordinary people in the wild. We have to adjust this for Corona, of course. You're going to be watching movies about people in the wild. Number 2, Globalization. This brings us to our place in the world. Americans have a lot of money, and we spend it on buying things from all over. Where did the system come from? After modules 5 and 6, there's a midterm exam. which has multiple choice questions and a short essay. Americans have a lot of money. Honestly, they do. You may say, oh, I only make $18,000 a year. Well, that's like 3 times the normal rate of income. Most people on the planet make between $5,000 and $10,000 a year. So even though it costs a lot for you to live here, you're still spending a lot. So you're going through a lot of money every month compared to someone who lives in, some poorer parts of Latin America or Asia or Africa. Sorry. Always a teaching moment, teachable moment. I don't have a lot of money. You got more than a lot of people. Let's see. So there's a midterm exam, which has multiple choice questions, 55 multiple choice questions, and then a short essay. Those exams are timed 3 hours to take them, I think. Let's see. Social organization. How are we put together with and separated? The essay's not timed. All of this stuff is open. I think you can just go ahead and start doing it, but do it in order, and it'll be better for you. I am recording. Goodness, that was weird. I hope it's still recording. Social organization. How are we put together with and separated from other people and groups in society? Modules 7 and 8 culminate in our second project, where we go outside of our comfort zone to a strange place to observe global society. Again, you're watching movies here. I think the first one you can observe people at home or people people walking past you on the street. The second one you go to a movie and look for a movie that has cultural difference in it. So the first one is more observation of ordinary people. The second one is more sort of global cultures. And then cultural meaning. How do people construct meanings, systems of meaning that come to define their values and principles in life? Modules 9, 10, and 11 conclude the course, followed by a final exam that has multiple choice questions and 2 more essays, one shorter and one longer. Please go ahead and order the one book, a short book by L. Keifa Roland called Cuban Color in Tourism and La Lucha. I've got the ISBN there. It should be around $20 online at your local bookstore. You can, if the libraries open up, you get it from the library. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter. You got to get it somehow. All the other readings are online. You will have to have started Roland's book before June 7th, because June 7th, that Sunday, you'll be quizzed over the first couple chapters in Roland. Also, arranged to buy the film Life and Debt from 2001. It has to be streamed. I think Amazon Prime has like a 3-day, you can stream it. You pay for it, and then you've got like 90 days or whatever to watch it. But once you start streaming it, you've got 3 days to finish it up. So make sure you don't like click start and then you don't have time to get up to that point in the semester. We've tried every way we can to get this film, and we just can't do it. So you're gonna pay for it, and it'll be okay. $4. YouTube, Amazon Prime, something like that. You have to do it. As we go through the course, please tell me if you need me to change anything. I hope to be able to respond to emails within 24 hours and to have major assignments and exams graded within 5 days. Okay, that's all. Please contact me. There's my email with any questions. shafejp@miamioh.edu. I am eager to meet you all online. Welcome. Best wishes.